Tired of juggling endless marketing tasks manually? Let's automate your workflow by connecting Zapier and Encharge. First, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a free account. Click on the Create Zap button on the left-hand side of the screen. Now choose your trigger app. This is the app that will kick off your automation. For example, let's say you want to add new Google Sheets entries as users in Encharge. Search for and select Google Sheets. Next, choose your trigger event. In this case, we'll select New Spreadsheet Row. Then, connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier by following the on-screen prompts and granting the necessary permissions. Select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. Now, it's time to set up the action. Search for and select Encharge as your action app. If this is your first time connecting Encharge to Zapier, you'll be prompted to connect your Encharge account. To do this, you'll need your Encharge API Key. Head over to your Encharge account, go to Settings, then Integrations, and finally select API Keys to locate your API key. Copy this key. Paste the API key into the Zapier prompt and click Yes. Continue. Now choose your action event. A common action is create or update a person. Map the data from your trigger €, in our case, Google Sheets €, to the corresponding fields in Encharge. For example, map the email address column from your spreadsheet to the email field in Encharge. You can also map other fields like name, company, and any custom fields you have in Encharge. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Click on the Test Trigger button, then click the Test Action button. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap and you're all set. Now, new entries from your Google Sheets will automatically create or update people in Encharge, automating your marketing efforts.